Barbie Ranch steers 41-1A, 41-1B. Barbie Ranch, Doran, Georgia. 41-1A. And one load of steers around 785 to 815 or 20. (41-1B) will be one load of steers around 685 to 730. Barbie Ranch, Doran, Georgia. Steers 41-1A, 41-1B. Real nice set of number one muscle, medium and large frame steers. Sired by Angus and semi-Angus bulls. Barbie Ranch cattle have improved since joining the Georgia Safe group. Barbie Ranch, Richard Beasley and family done a really good job improving cattle through buying bulls and replacement heifers and saving replacement heifers. They've started AI into heifers. Barbie Ranch, 41-1A. We want to load somewhere around 785 to 820. 41-1B. We want to load around 685 to 730. Trip and I'll come back over and get with Richard and get the weights. Been pretty accurate on the weights. Cattle is really gentled up. I'm real docile. Again, a really nice set of number one muscle, medium and large frame steers, sired by Angus and semi-Angus bulls. Barbie Ranch, Doran, Georgia. Barbie Ranch steers 41-1A, 41-1B. Number one muscle, medium and large frame steers. Barbie Ranch, Doran, Georgia. Barbie Ranch heifers 41-2A. You one load of heifers around 7 1/4, 735. 41-2B. You one load around 650, 675. Just a few grays and a handful of reds. Barbie Ranch, Doran, Georgia. Richard Beasley and family. Again, the cattle have greatly improved since joining the Georgia Safe marketing group. No comparison to what the calves look like now and what they were when I first met Richard and his family. Barbie Ranch. Dover, Georgia. Here's a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers, sired by Angus and semi-Angus bulls out of Angus and semi-Angus commercial cows. Bar B Ranch, 41 2A, 41 2B. Bar B Ranch, Dover, Georgia, 41 2A, 41 2B. Bar B Ranch, Dover, Georgia, Richard Beasley, 41-2A, 41-2B.